first time I actually felt like the tears was when we had the whole puja, cake cutting and the aarti and everything, because like that's when I actually felt that oh, she's gonna go, like she's gonna get married.
Yeah. Fantastic, precious.
It's like their relationship is more like best friends.
The day you kissed my lips, light as a feather, and it went just like this. No, it's never been better than the summer of
I just want chai.
2002. We were
Honestly, do you see anything happening with Advait? And she said, no, yeah, he's my best friend.
drinking from plastic cups, singing love is forever and never.
I knew they were perfect for each other after I saw her busy schedule and his free car. It was a match made in heaven, or sorry, convenience, but still, there's a lot of love there.
I should have a story. We should have some story. This is very tactical.
Yeah, what do you love?
I can't. I was like, should I cry? Should I smile? Should I laugh? I didn't know. I was like, literally not expected this from him at all. Dance and Advait.
That's some mad shit, bro. Like, whoa. That's something.
I used to come like this. I never thought I will get someone like this.
Manje double daman, na? And who is that?
Me.
It seems like yesterday.
She's like, Manali, Avni's getting engaged.
Sunday I was sleeping peacefully at 11 o'clock in the morning. My mom comes and wakes me up saying Avni's getting engaged.
So she never tells me things before doing things.
What? मेरी नींद उड़ गई.
Ran down, called Ammi and said, मेरे को पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? Why am I getting to know from someone else?
But you knew this.
मनाली मेरी नींद अभी भी उड़ी हुई है. तो आप माँ हो, आपकी उड़नी चाहिए. The mom and the sass.
Then Papa and Mama were more into it than my sister or Advait ever were. Like for both of them, it was just like fine, it'll happen eventually. And they're like, no, you can't make it happen eventually.
No, it's not yet digested. मुझे constipation हो रहा है.
That's why they push them. They're like, no, you have to do it now. Whatever you want to do, you do it now.
Yeah, now Dadi has started referring to your family as ससुराल वाले.
Sejan Mami! On the day of the engagement, green. But on the day of the mehendi, yellow.
Like she's gonna get married. Not just like...
अभी और शादी का कोई सोचो भी मत जरा.
Not just like, oh, let's live together kind of thing. So that's when it actually hit me.
This will
Looks
look
great.
better. और ह्याला उघडून इथे असे मागे अटॅच करायचं.
Hey, listen. Oye.
कारण आपण म्हणतो की साईडला गादा नाहीये. साईडला सुद्धा मध्ये गरज
नाही गाद्या हवे.
And she runs away.
मुर्बादार पालक पनीर बनाने के लिए हम लेते हैं 4 कप पालक.
बेगाने शादी में अब्दुल्ला दीवाना.
There's this girl called Avni Awasthi in his school, and you guys are friends. That's the first time I heard about Avni, and that's when the journey started.
दो नैन सितारे है चांद सा मुखड़ा, क्या कहना उसका आफरीन. दावत में जैसे हो शाही टुकड़ा, उसके जैसी न कोई मेरी नाज़नीन, शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन पे, वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है। शाही जोड़ा पहन।
Advait actually I met as one of the guy who's going to help me for social media marketing. He said I have a friend named Advait, I think he'll help you. And I think when we met, it was quite nice. I think we just connected.
He was supposed to come to pick me up around 2 o'clock to go to Mumbai, and he showed up like 2 hours late, and we still reached like an hour early to the airport. Yeah, that's when I'm like, oh, this is Advait. Okay.
बंदा तो ready है।
So when we entered, everyone was dressed in yellow. ऐसे पूरा yellow दिख रहा था. Avni was sitting on the sofa and you know she's getting पूरा ऐसे मेहंदी put with Advait का नाम.
कैदी है, बंदा तो रेडी है, तेरा ही कैदी है। समझो तुम भी जो बात आंखों से कैदी है। तेरी हाँ दे दे, मेरी जान ले ले, मेरी जान ना दे मुझे बहाने। सजन बड़े सेंटी, सजन बड़े सेंटी, सजन बड़े सेंटी।
Friends get together. ऐसा नहीं है कि लड़की वाले अलग थे, लड़के वाले अलग थे. Everyone knew everyone.
शक्ल बबी सी, नजर बचा के, बाज बुलावे सुन ले सोनी आजा। भरी हुई है, चलेगी अब तो, आजा बेबी भुला के सस्ती आजा। तेरी हाँ दे दे, मेरी जान ले ले, मेरी जान ना दे मुझे बहाने। सजन बड़े सेंटी, हो सजन बड़े सेंटी।
She loves a person, she will put in her 100%. Like she doesn't get into expecting things back. It's just about giving. You just give.
Advait, and to be true, it's more about family now rather than friendship.
It feels so good to fall in love, but how I felt I'll never know. The way we kiss, the way we touch, for you my heart will ever go.
When Abhi and Advait came down the stairs, you know, she was dressed in red and Advait was holding her hand. I'm like, oh shit. Like this is happening.
आंखें ये भोली भोली बोली, बोली ये कैसी बोली, बैठे दोनों सुनते रहे। ये चलती हवाएं ले जाए कहाँ।
She's always, you know, been more of a person that I look up to.
जाने बिना कब दो।
Love my brother a lot.
I had no words that day, but both of them kept looking at me like, "Tu next, tu next." Like if you pick out all the qualities that she liked in all these guys, uska mixture is probably Advait.
So I love him. I just enjoy it. So I think we connect much different and much more than what I do with Avni now. after knowing him.
Something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry.
And then the entire journey was just me figuring out what kind of guy that was, because he was like a gentleman who was just a kid.
Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you.
Sundays for MotoGP are freaking fixed, bro. You can't freaking miss that, man.
But we can go.
For the speech, I just went up to the room. I opened our secret stock of booze and chugged some and I have a small disclaimer. If any of you have any objections with anything that I say, please take it to Advait and Apni.
As kids, we've always dreamt about कि हम ये गाने पे नाचेंगे, हम ये गाने पे नाचेंगे, तेरी शादी मेरी शादी. And but when the day actually came, I'm like, oh shit, I mean this is real. बोले चूड़ियाँ, माही वे, सब पे नाचेंगे.
We are all gathered here today for the finger ring ceremony. Okay, let me start. Okay. We're all gathered here today for the fingering ceremony of Advait and Apni. The first thought that came to my mind was, let's have a moment of silence. But
पहली बार तुमको मैंने जब देखा था, सुन लो यार कि मैंने
I've known Advait since my first grade and I hadn't heard about Apni till last year. Then and since we're doing everything Bollywood style. And everyone's so happy.
Contrary to whatever anybody says, Advait is not my son. He's the son. Had he not got Avni engaged to Advait, then he would have got engaged. Which is why we had to rush, because he was confused. Okay? So now you know why we rushed.
महीना पवन करे शोर,
सावन का महीना पावन. For the ones that want champagne, there's one more bottle. Avni, if we get through this, we can get through anything. And I just want to tell you that I love you.
She's been my friend, my best friend, my girlfriend, or now to be wife. But she's always had that assertiveness on me, on anything I did. I have to listen to her. I don't have a choice. I do have a choice, but I don't make it. I have to say I love you.
एक साल हो गया हमको यांच्याबद्दल थोडंसं चुकली चक्कर वाढल्या तर ही म्हणते कुछ तो चक्कर आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी ही चक्कर अशी पूर्ण झाली. आता अद्वैत माझं रिलेशन, अद्वैत आला मी टोल नाक्याला हाक मारतो, नंदू आलोय. जाताना नंदू जातोय, जा जा मी काय तुझी झटती येत नाही.
Who spends their money on something useless? And more road rage. Who is more likely to show up hours late for your wedding day? Why you think? What is one place that Advait has been wanting to go to since forever?
What?
That's what you're doing.
Thank you, Avni. What a joker, man.